Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your iPhone to your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've just got your Pioneer Bluetooth radio and you want to go ahead and connect your iPhone to it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to navigate to where your paired Bluetooth devices are. So I'm going to show you multiple ways to do that. The first way is that you could actually click on this white icon up top, and this is going to show you all your paired Bluetooth devices. Next, click on the magnifying glass, and then on your iPhone, you want to make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and then you want to select the name of your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. So it's not going to be called Pioneer Bluetooth radio, like for example, mine is called DMH W3000. The other way that you can do it is that you can actually just go ahead and click on Bluetooth audio, then click on settings, and then click on Bluetooth paired device list, and then this right here is going to show all your Bluetooth paired device lists, but I just noticed now that it actually doesn't show you or allow you to connect to a Bluetooth device. So I guess the best option is clicking on the white icon here and then clicking on this magnifying glass and then connecting it to your phone via finding the name on your iPhone of this right here. So once you find the name, just go ahead and click on your iPhone and you should be able to connect via Bluetooth. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your iPhone to your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.